Next, let us look at this question. Integration of dx by 1 plus x square to root of 1 minus x square. This is of the form 1 by quadratic into root of quadratic. And in both quadratics, you see that you don't have an x term. Now, if you have an integral of this form, what is the standard substitution? The standard substitution is let 1 by x is equal to t, or x is equal to 1 by t. So, dx is equal to minus 1 by t square dt. Now, what happens if you do this integration? If you do this substitution. So, let us see what happens. Dx is equal to minus 1 by t square dt divided by 1 plus x square, that is 1 plus 1 by t square into root of 1 minus 1 by t square. That is equal to integration of minus 1 by t square dt. But if you take the LCM, you get t square plus 1 by t square into root of t square minus 1 by t. So this t square and this t square gets cancelled. That is equal to minus integration of this t goes up, t dt by t square plus 1 times root of t square minus 1. So this integration has just got transformed into this integration. What is the advantage that you got? The advantage that you have got is you got a t in the numerator. So initially you don't have an x in the numerator, now you have a t in the numerator. So how do we proceed forward? Now what I do is, you know that t is somehow related to the differentiation of t square. So if you put t square is equal to u, 2t dt will be equal to du. So what I do is let t square minus 1 is equal to t square minus 1 is equal to something like u square. So 2t dt will be equal to 2u du. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So t dt will become u du. So minus integration of u du divided by t square. T square is nothing but u square plus 1. So t square plus 1 is u square plus 2 into root of u square is u. This u and this u got cancelled. So the integration has become integration of du by u square plus 2. That is equal to minus of, is of the form 1 by x square plus a square. The integration is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. So 1 by root 2 tan inverse of u by root 2 plus c. So this is the integration. So once the integration is done, you do the back substitution. In the place of u, you put root of t square minus 1, and in the place of t, you put 1 by x. So that is equal to minus 1 by root 2 tan inverse of root of t square minus 1, that is 1 by x square minus 1 by root 2 plus. So if you want to further simplify this, minus 1 by root 2 tan inverse of root of 1 minus x square by x root 2 plus c is the answer. So this will be the integration of this. So if you put 1 by x is equal to t, on substitution, you get a t in the numerator. And once you get this, whatever is in the square root, you just put that is equal to u square, you get the answer.